Hi, boys and girls. Our story today is The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. Now, again, there's only one name on this book. That means Pat Hutchins wrote the words, so she's the author, and she also drew the pictures, so she's the illustrator too. Wow, there's a lot of kids there. This looks like a good story. The doorbell rang. Mom's got some cookies. I see 3, 6, 9, 12 cookies that she's baked. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. 12 cookies is a lot for 2 people. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Oh, look, she's just washed her floor. Looks beautiful. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. So they came in. Uh-oh, they tracked some mud. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Oh my goodness, they tracked some more mud in on her clean floor. That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. You can say that with me. I think it's going to be in there at least one more time. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Wow, there's 6 kids here and 6 kids here. Let's count on to see how many kids that is. So we know there's 6 at the table. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there's 12 cookies. That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. What do you think Ma's going to say this time? No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Look at all those mud footprints on her floor. She's worked so hard to clean that. And rang. Who's going to be at the door? Boy, I wonder what's going to happen. Oh dear, said Ma as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. Oh, that was nice of Sam. He's going over to open the door. Guess who it is? It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. Well, that was a nice story. Oh, wait a sec, not quite done. And no one makes cookies like Grandma's, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Again! Oh my goodness, that was a good book. It's got some math in it, and it's got good sharing. I hope you use both in your day-to-day, everyone.